Hey everybody, it's Michael at the Upriver Fly Shop. We're doing something different this week and bringing you the fishing report right here from the shop. Fishing conditions on the Arkansas River are not going to change much in the next couple of weeks. Flows are stable, water clarity is good. We are recommending hopper dropper fishing, and that's going to kind of remain the same, so we figured we'd do something a little different today and fish the creek that flows right by our fly shop here in the town of Buena Vista. As always, you can stick around to the end of the video. We're going to show you some of our favorite little dry flies for fishing these small creeks. So with that being said, let's go get it.
Hey guys.
All right, we made it. We're here on the banks of Cottonwood Creek as it flows through the town of Buena Vista. We're just downstream from the fly shop. This is our version of small stream urban fly fishing. This is something we like to do on our days off if other places or spots on the Arkansas River can get a bit crowded. We just heard a fish go airborne over there in the creek. Small creeks offer a lot of really enjoyable opportunities in the summertime, so we're going to showcase a little bit of that. Okay, so with fishing these smaller creeks, usually we're not catching large fish, we're catching a lot of smaller fish, but that can be rewarding because they're very beautiful in their own right. They're also, in my opinion, sometimes more eager to come hit a dry fly, and they're not as selective as more heavily pressured waters, so that can lead to a lot of fun on the creek. So while the fish are often smaller in these tributary streams, there's still some technicality and some challenge to fishing these small creeks. So a lot of that technicality comes with, oftentimes the creeks are overgrown, so your casting stroke might be really limited. You might not have room for a back cast, and that's where your gear might come in handy, or your selection of gear. A smaller, like for example today I have a 6-foot 9-inch 2-weight glass rod, but a little 7.5-foot 3-weight would do just fine. Something that still allows you to get your full casting stroke in really tight spaces is really beneficial on these smaller streams. And the technicality also comes with your accuracy and placement of the flies. So while the fish are pretty eager, your casting ability will be challenged on these smaller creeks. Nice rainbow, he's gone. So at Upriver, we are permitted to guide on a variety of these tributary streams. So if you're looking for a more remote or secluded fishing experience, this would be the type of fishing you might want to consider. Well, bombing one up. Easy release. All right, well, one of the nice things about fishing the town run is stopping by Kay's afterwards for a nice ice cream cone. That's going to end the video today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit like. And if you want to see more, please hit subscribe. We appreciate it. We'll see you out on the water.